So let's go for the part twos. So we have express product of trinomial. That means we're going to FOIL. So this times this, this times this times this, and this times this. We can call it FOIL, we can call it distribute, whatever you want. And so we end up with 6y to the third plus 3/10 y squared. Next term is going to be minus 4y squared. And the last term is going to be minus 1/3/15 y, or minus 1/5 y. Non-unit terms, we're going to do 6y to the third minus 33/10 y squared minus 1/5 y. Good. Next page. In a study of 82 video game players, the research found the age of these players were normally distributed with a mean of 17 and a standard deviation of 3. Determine if there were 15 video gamers in the study at the age of 20. Justify your answer. So, on the number line, we're looking at the mean is 17. The standard deviation is 3, so this is going to be the mean plus 1 standard deviation. That's going to be 20. Therefore, over 20 is more than 1 standard deviation. Above the mean. Alright, so if 15 video gamers in a study, so it's going to give us points like that. 0.159 times 82. It's 82%, so it's going to give us 13.038. Alright, write a quadratic equation. So the sum of the roots is 6, the product of the roots is negative 27. So we remember that the sum of the roots is negative b over a, 6 over 1, and product of the roots is c over a is equal to negative 27 over 1. That means we're going to take the assumption that a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 6, and c is equal to negative 27, plus 6 squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. Evaluate e to the x ln of 3. So this is really e to the third ln of 2, which gives us really what we're looking at is e to the ln of 2 to the third power, which is ln of 8. So that's really e to the ln of 8. E and ln cancel out, we're just left with 8. Alright, find the inverse of f of x. We don't want to find the inverse. So we set y equals x squared minus 6. We switch x and y. So it's y squared minus 6. Solve it for y. So it's x plus 6. Squared, so we get plus or minus the square root of x plus 6. It's y. So this is not a function. So the inverse is equal to plus or minus the square root of x plus 6. Not a great question. Factor completely. Factor completely. We're looking at what we can take out. I see that we have 3 common and t to the 4th common. And we can do that with 3t to the 4th minus 25. Alright, oh sorry, that's 4t to the 4th. Like difference perfect squares, so that's 2t squared minus 5, 2t squared plus 5. That. Close. And we bring down that 3t to the 4th. Good. Alright, 75. Remember, negative exponents means 1 over, so I can just put them in the denominator if we want. So what we're left with is, we're left with 3y to the 5th. We're done. The numerator comes up, so that's going to be 2x to the 3rd, y to the negative 7 squared. That's positive. X to the negative 4 goes below. Now, we need to fix that square. So what we're left with so far is we have 3y to the 5th times 4x to the 6th, y to the negative 14th. All over x to the 4th. Okay. Distributing that 3y to the 5th, we have 12x to the 6th y to the negative 9 over x to the 4th, which then gives us 12 squared over 1. Good. Alright, f of x equals x squared minus 6, g of x equals that, we want g of f of 3, so we're going to first plug into f. X plus 3 here equals negative 3 squared minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So now we want g of 3, which we get 2 to the 3rd minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Final answer. Alright, part 3.